Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purun. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
I've been very clear also, there is no plan. If you all want to remove the casinos, you all should come up with a plan for Panjim. What is going to happen to our businesses, our shopkeepers, our employment, our jobs, our youth are employed, how are they supposed to support their families and all. And these people have no interest and do not care also. I had informed these people the night prior, and in the morning I had informed them. I have the messages to prove it. I know that they have messages circulating also that show that they knew. Valmiki also knew that the meeting was cancelled around 9:30 before everyone showed up. He tricked all of those elderly citizens and Libby Lobo and all into coming over there, and he lied to them basically. Now all this is all planned drama, nothing else.
You cannot come with one list of politics.
This is cheap politics, Baba. I have said also corporation has nothing to do with issuing licenses at all. It is all coming down to different departments. They have not gone to any of those departments.